There is a wonderful, very famous quote from Dorothea Lange that says the camera teaches you how to see the world without a camera. I feel that's so true, and that is a special part of photography. Photography can just put you in a certain frame of mind. It's open and appreciative, and it's a great state of mind to have when you're visiting new places. One of my favorite moments from being in the city was seeing an aeroplane fly across the dusky sky, lit by a setting sun. The sun was low and the aeroplane golden from its light. I didn't really get a good picture of it, but that's not the point. Or maybe that is the point. What I'm trying to say is, photography isn't always about the picture. It can be about the act of looking and appreciating the world around you, about being in that wonderful state of mind. Now, I admit that works on holiday. I won't be saying that to a bride or groom anytime soon, that I didn't get many pictures of your wedding, but I felt I enjoyed and really appreciated the sights and spirit of the occasion, just from being a photographer. Okay, I'm just being silly, but you know what I mean. It's understandable that photography can be preoccupied with the photograph itself. That might sound a ridiculous thing to even say, to think that photography should be about photographs. But I don't think we hear enough about people just enjoying photography. That experience of enjoying photography doesn't always translate into the photograph or how people talk about it. Perhaps there should be an online photography group where people just talk about the process, that state of mind, but without sharing any pictures. Wonderful days can be had taking rubbish photos, and it should be celebrated. Not necessarily rubbish photos, great pictures, average pictures too, cliches, and everything in between. So it's no great art that I'm making, but I just enjoyed being in a state of mind to walk around Milan, being able to enjoy a golden aeroplane moving across the sky, and golden people too, moving across the streets. I was even happy finding some beauty in the shades of grey in a mucky window covering. It was nice just looking around me. However, after a few days in Milan, I noticed that few of my pictures were of people, yet the frighteningly stylish people were such a part of the city. So I tried my best to put that right. I'm not very good at in-your-face street photography, but I had a go. If Bruce Gilden was my friend, and he's not, he would shout at me like the drill sergeant in Full Metal Jacket. I imagine him taunting me for being too scared to get those couple of meters closer. What's your major malfunction, Chris? Anytime, sweetheart. I'm working on it though, and it might still not be for me. Getting too close can sometimes remove people from the context of the street. That's my excuse right now anyway. In the meantime, I'll keep photographing the more random things I see and keeping on enjoying it. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more random photography videos, please consider subscribing. I'll give you a quick moment to think about it. There we are. Thank you very much. And extra thanks to my few Patreon supporters. I really appreciate it. See you all in the next one.